So, Steve from Everything HVACR video, Everything HVACR. What's up? I'm running into this same thing, this Seresco's. But you're obviously better at them than I am, because I'm not great at them. But this is my logs. Now, hold on. Yeah. It's just today, right now. Watch. I gotta look at them. Check it out. Cool place up. Buy stock and carrier, guys. It's up to $85. No, I think it's down to $81 yesterday, but it was $15 in 2020. I keep saying it. Lennox is like 5 something, Honeywell's 5 something. So, I'm telling you. Yeah, that'll do it. That's one, compressor one, I believe. Yeah, buddy. Wow, bro. Check those drains too. And there's some other filters on the other side. Check it. So these say 16 by 24 by 2 on the door, but there's 12 by 24 inside. That actually fit perfect. I don't know why these are on the door, but they had 16 by 24 by 2 filters here, so I just cut it to size. And hopefully these filters reset that error on the low pressure side. This one says 12 by 24. That's a 16 by 24, but they're both the same. That's how wars are lost. Miscommunication. Let's see what's inside of here. Forgive my hands. I was doing a quail today. Indoor quail. It turned out to be a nightmare for some reason. It's one of those days. One of those days. Oh, that's nice. Somewhere on that side of her. It's sealed. I can't get to. I'll get something to get it out. I'll get this to get it out. One of those days. I got this Kid Rock song stuck in my head. Yo, they say when the last song you hear in your car or wherever you're leaving, the last song that is playing and it's mid-song that it, like you turned off, it'll be in your head for the rest of the day until you hear something else. Yeah, that looks clean too. Oh yeah, buddy boy. I would think the lower side is your number 2 side, so compressor 2 is thrown off. But all the filters are shot, so. And that one had one less in it, so maybe that was, hopefully this is the issue, but I like to keep it simple first, stupid. I don't know who I heard say that, but I like that saying. I think 348 right now. Need to look at the codes. Oh, got a condensate pump. Woo wee! Keeping it simple. Ding ding dong. 330. Let's see. Let's let it run for a while. Let it refresh. I don't want to see. So 85 room temp up. Unoccupied, 85, so they want 85. 55 occupied, 55 occupied, unoccupied, Cool temp 70, supply air temp 85, control humidity 55% relative. Back. Let's see what we're doing. 83. It's 85. 60%. Keeping it simple. Ding dong. We want to lower that to 55. We want to get it lower to 55. So let's let it work. That's when they're going to change the filters next. February 4th, my birthday of 2025. That's when they're going to change them next. I mean, I guess they should leave it like that. Watch, help. Too little refrigerant, not enough air over evap, which is common. Too cold room temp, which is happening. TXV valve set improper. So we are going with not enough air over evap for now because our filters were plugged to the nines. And then we're gonna check that the room temperature is too cool for what they're asking. I mean, by 3 degrees. But we're gonna go to number 2 and help. The same thing. So 1 and 2 with filthy filters is going to be number 1 here. Not enough air over evap. Because I just feel that why would both of them be throwing a code, right? Really, number 2 is throwing it the most. You know, I bet you, no, because it was 348. I was gonna say when I opened the door. I think we fixed it, but like I said, I'll be back tomorrow. Stock again. I'm not gonna say it again, guys. This isn't Dogecoin, some like lying like thing that people fell for. This is Carrier, bro. He invented air conditioning. Yo, Gemini. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Good.
What can I do for you?
Let me ask you a question. What's today's stock price in Carrier Corporation? I know you don't give stock tips, but I just want to know the price.
Okay, the price of Carrier Corporation stock is at $81.61 as of right now.
Can I ask you another question?
Absolutely.
What was the stock price of Carrier Corp the first day of its public offering? I think it was April of 2015? Yeah, 2020.
All right, so Carrier Corp became its own public company on April 3rd, 2020. The starting price that day was $36 per share.
But then it dropped to $15 or no? Or am I just shot? No, it was just 2015. So let me ask you another question. Do you see that it's going, has it just gone pretty much, what's the average?
I understand.
This guy.
Carrier Corporation didn't exist as a standalone company in 2015. It was still part of United Technologies Corporation.
Yeah, no, I know. 2020.
Do you want to know the stock price of United Technologies Corporation from 2015?
No, I want to know United Technologies Corp today, actually.
Yep, United Technologies Corporation stock closed at $125.94 on October 16th, which was yesterday.
Yeah, now watch this. Now tell me the stock of Lennox Corporation, please. Lennox.
Lennox International stock closed at $595.91 yesterday.
That's what Carrier's going. And tell me Honeywell.
All right, let's talk about Carrier.
No, let's talk about Honeywell, bro. Honeywell
opened at $219 today, October 17th.
That's it?
Is there anything else you'd like to know about Honeywell?
I want to know their subsidiary Resideo, Resideo, the price today.
Honeywell's subsidiary Resideo Technologies was spun off as a separate company in 2018.
Yeah.
It's an independent company now, so it has its own stock price. Today, October 17th, Resideo Technologies opened at $28.47.
Sounds like a good investment to me.
Sure, it's always smart to research thoroughly before investing.
Yeah, I know. You don't
Can I help you find more information on Resideo Technologies?
No.
Like financial reports.
It's running. Regardless, it's running. Well, darn it. Don't buy Carrier stock. Let me open this up. Jeez. Come on, Carrier. What are you doing, guys? $2022. No, these guys are 20. They're the second two numbers, Carrier, right? Well, they're switching everything. They're even switching reversing valves. I'm going with B's. Ding, ding, dong. Ding, 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 dong. This is like Serena apple bomb. That's the customer. Yo, so real talk. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'm in someplace in way out in the middle of nowhere, and I have to drive on regular roads to get home 2.5, 3 hours because we can't go on highway or parkways. The great state of shithole center, New York. I don't think you can go on parkways in any state if you're in a commercial vehicle. But anyway, back to thank you very much. Have a good day. Take care of yourselves.